In this chapter, we are going to learn how to open a program and also be able to type a simple letter. In order to do that, first click on Start, then All Apps. Then we're looking under Windows Accessories. I'm looking for a program. It's called WordPad. Everybody has this program in the computer. Now I'm scrolling down to get to the W, and here under Windows Accessories, see the little arrow down? That means there is a sub-menu. If I click, I get the sub-menu. Now again I have to scroll down because all of these apps are sorted alphabetically. WordPad, that is the program I am looking for. Everybody got this program, WordPad. I just click on it. As soon as I click, the program is open. The first thing, if it's not maximized, I'm coming here and maximize this program. Now I want to start to type. First, let's learn some of the keys on keyboard. Here, this is called a space bar. In order to insert a space between two words. This is a shift if we want to type a capital letter. However, if you like to type everything in caps, you just press this button once. But if you want only one letter in cap, you have to hold down the shift key and then type. This is tab, and tab creates by default automatically 5 spaces between each word. Here, this key is called Alt. This one, anytime we press this key, we are going to see all our apps just like this. This is a control key. This FN that we have on most keyboards, especially laptop, normally has dark blue color. Now, if any other keys in my laptop, they have a letter or number written in the same color like a dark blue, that means if I hold down the function keys and I press that key, whatever it is, that letter or number is going to be typed. Over here, we have the same Alt, the same Control. However, these 4 keys is called arrows keys. Up arrow key, down arrow, left and right. Enter, you're going to use enter key only and only if you want to create a new paragraph, or if you are not going to finish a line. For example, you're typing an address, 220 Lincoln Avenue, then you have to go to the next line. So you need to press enter key. But if you're typing a paragraph, when you are at the end of the line, you have to keep typing. Automatically, computer moves your cursor that I'm going to show you later on to the next line. So another word for typing a paragraph, even if it's a 5 lines, 10 lines, you do not need to press enter key in order to create or to type a new line. Only if you want to create a new paragraph. Alright, only one more key here, the escape key. Escape, sometimes you can use this key in order to cancel some command or something that as we go, I can talk about it later on. Alright, now one click here, this guy here, that is a cursor. A cursor is your electronic pen. In other words, if you want to type in computer, you must have this cursor. Without a cursor, you cannot type anything. Now I can type, but before, a couple other things. Look at this is my mouse, but look at here. The mouse changes its shape. If you see the mouse like this, like the eye, we are in a typing area. Now, if you see like this, that means we can selecting something. Arrow, we can select. Alright, now let's start it. Just one click to see my cursor is right here, and I just type something purposely. I'm going to have mistake. This is wrong. This is a test to see how can I type a letter, then I'm just keep typing right now. Okay, now I have two paragraphs. I have a lot of mistakes. In order to fix it, I can use these arrow keys to move my cursors. Up arrow moves the cursor up. Down arrow moves the cursor down. Right arrow to the right side. Left arrow to left side. Okay, this is the one way. The second way to move the cursor is using the mouse. Look at here. I position my mouse pointer, for example, here, and just one click. See, the cursor is there. Here, cursor moves over here. Here, cursor moves over here. Now, which way is better? It depends. If I want to move only, for example, couple letters, then it's much better to use my arrow keys. See that? To use my arrow keys. But if I want to come all the way to here, so it's faster to use my mouse. Alright, this is how to move the cursor. Now, one more key is here. Delete, and this is a delete too. Sometimes this delete over your keyboard, instead of the word delete, you are going to see backspace. Backspace deletes to the left of the cursor, but delete key deletes to the right of the cursor. For example, look at here. Right now I am right here. Okay, right here. And my cursor moves right there. If I press backspace, which is this, look at here. The letter T is gone. The letter E is gone. The letter L is gone. If I press delete key, which one is going to be removed? T, E, R, anything to the right of the cursor. So, delete key deletes anything to the right of the cursor, and backspace deletes anything to the left of the cursor. We got that right. And now, one more thing. I told you how to make a mistake. I told you how to fix your mistakes. For example, here I said a letter should be a space between letter A and L. First, I position my cursor between A and L. Just simply, I press this space bar. See that? The space bar. Any space, if I press, I add in one more space, but that's all I want. But here I have more spaces. I want to delete a couple of them. So, which one I'm going to use? Backspace. Backspace, I just told you. Backspace deletes to the left of the cursor. See that? See that? See that? Now, I saw a lot of times people in the office, at work, you're right here, for example, the cursor right there, accidentally, they press enter key. Looks, they broke the line. Looks, they broke the line. What they did, most of the time, believe it or not, they come over here and start to type again. However, you can fix that only with this command you just learned. How? You just add extra blank spaces. And these blank spaces are to the left of the cursor. So if I press this backspace, see that? Fix. Now, if I'm here this time, but my cursor is right here, can I use backspace? Of course not. Because if I use backspace, I'm deleting O. So how can I fix it? By pressing the delete key. Because delete, I told you delete to the right of the cursor. To the right of the cursor, what I have, just blank space. So let's try. One click, bingo, it's right there. So this is how to fix your mistakes. Backspace, delete key, enter key, shift key. If I want, for example, type capital I, I'll come over here, press here, delete this lowercase I, hold the shift key here, hold the shift key, and then type I, and space. See that? If I want to type everything in capital, here I'll have to do just press once, cap lock. Now everything I type, see, all in cap, all in cap. I don't want anymore, I press it one more time. Now everything I type is the lowercase. let's go and practice for at least half an hour to get master. Because what you're learning here, you're going to use it in every single program in the computer, online, on your phone, on tablet, all the time. This part is universal, so you better learn it well.